DIY dud to stud. We're doing a unboxing and installation of a Shark IQ robot model RV 1001 Alpha Edward 30. It's basically a robot that goes around the house. You've heard of iRobots and robots. It does the same thing. Just got this thing right now, and we're going to be setting it up. We're going to be unboxing as you see. Open it up. Just came from Amazon. Got a little receipt. Box within a box. Be ready for some strength tests. These things are not light. Shark IQ robot. Forget about vacuuming up to a month. Looks pretty good. So we're going to open this bad boy up. It says bagless, self-emptying base. Holds up to 30 days of dust and debris. Alright, first piece we got here, we got the robot. These little bad boys gotta be going all over the place. And this appears to be the base. Instruction manual. Not sure, it looks like little cleaning tabs. Power plug. Make sure you take this off or you're not going to be able to plug it into your outlet. And here is the base. This is what it backs up to empty out its container. And this looks like a sensor mat, but we'll see what it is in a second here. Alright, let me go through the instructions and we'll take you to the next step. See you soon. Alright, step one. We're going to be pulling out these brushes and we're going to be installing them. There's one on each side here, so first one goes right here. And then you got a second one that goes right here. Should look like that. Got to plug the cable in and then place it on the floor. Cable plugs in the bottom right corner here. Step two, find a good spot where you got 3 feet on each side, place it against a wall, and put it on top of the shark mat. You want to go ahead and plug it in and get it going. For the next part is we're going to plug it into the wall jack here. You got 2 little metal pieces right here. Those will go to these 2 spots, and that's how your shark vac will charge. Put it in, push it on the ground. Oh, okay.
Blue means it's charging, right?
And when you got a good blue light, it's charging. At this point in time, the Shark robot is charging. What I have to work with is setting up boundaries. This piece right here is meant to keep the Shark robot out of areas you don't want to go. Hallways, rooms, around power cords you don't want it to potentially suck up, so forth. Now, it's basically a magnetic strip in which you could cut up into pieces to keep it out of the area. So place those around your house that you don't want to go. After that, download the SharkVac app from either the iStore or the Apple Store. I mean the Apple Store or the Android Store, and we'll go working through the next steps. Next step of what we're going to be doing here is setting up the application. First thing first is click on the Play Store icon. Then we're going to look up the SharkVac. Actually, it's called Shark Clean app. Install this. We're going to let it download. The open button. And we'll set it up. We're in the United States. If you're in a different country, select your country. Now we're going to set up an account. Type in the password. Typed in. Click on Done. Click on the Open Shark app. On the side, first turn your shark on using the side switch. So, gotta find a good home for your shark on the hard surface.
I am ready to connect to Wi-Fi.
Click Allow. Click Allow. Select your shark and confirm. Select your network. What would you like to call your shark? We will call it Shark.
Yeah. Chomp, chomp.
The first cleaning, once it maps your home, you can tell your robot what room is you clean.